huge. Oh, freaking ice in this huge bowl. Ooh, took a chunk out.
Oh, no, don't do it, no.
Maddie, stop.
Slippery.
Don't eat it, Maddie. It was outside. Maddie!
What?
You're not supposed to spit that.
Don't break it. Break it.
Maddie, back up. I don't want you getting hurt. Well, they're freaking shattered.
Make it harder. Make it.
But I'm freaking taking chunks. Maddie, move. Maddie, move. Freaking taking chunks out of this thing. Oh, crap. My knife. Maddie, stop. I don't want you getting hurt. Maddie, how long was this outside for? Maddie, stop, please. I don't want you getting hurt. But, Maddie, hold on. I'm gonna eat this piece of ice.
Okay.
Oh,
It's more in there.
Good.
I know. I don't want to eat ice. I don't want to eat that ice and outside. But it tastes.
It tastes like water.
I know. Like SpongeBob SquarePants. That is like.
Hold on, wait. Yeah. Ooh.
I got.
Move back, Maddie, please. I don't want you getting hurt. Do you like it? Yeah. I'm gonna cut this thing. Move, Maddie, please. Okay, Maddie, no more for you. I don't want you getting hurt. Move back, Maddie, please.
Whoa! You almost get me.
And back up. I have taken chunks out of this. So let's see how long. Mate, move back.
Tape.
Please. Okay, I'm just gonna put this on the floor.
Okay.
Maddie, please move back. I do not want you getting hurt.
Okay. After this piece of one, I'm gonna roll.
Okay, hit. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Brother freaking took a huge chunk out. Freaking stabby stab. Move back, Maddie.
Okay. Do that again.
Hold on. Move back. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Maddie, move back.
I'm getting all these out.
Thank you. Maddie, put those back, please. So I'm using a nail file.
I'm putting them in trash.
Yeah, this. So nail file is more safer. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Whoa!
friggin', bro, this thing is
I see.
shattered. All right. Since this is a nail file for my pocket, a Swiss Army knife, I can let you just do that. Make it smooth.
Let's do something else.
No.
Fork.
No, Maddie.
I need something else.
No, we're using my Swiss Army knife.
Whoa. A big cube.
No, put that back, Maddie. Maddie, no.
Okay.
That's not that. Move back, move back, move back, Maddie, please.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I shattered that completely. Bro, I can let you see the cracks.
I want to go back.
Hold on, wait, Maddie.
What?
Hold on. Maddie, put the towel under the bowl now.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, yeah, okay. It makes it a little more not wet. All right.
Mix it. Lay down.
Okay, 3, 2. Ooh. Ooh. From my point of view, I can see that clearly, but you guys can't because I'm recording on my phone like I always do.
And then it's a different towel for me.
Okay, 3, 2,
I need this
1.
towel.
Boom! Oh my God. Okay, I am good. No blood. Other people do not do this at home. My baby sister just showed it to me. Right, Maddie?
Yeah.
You just showed it to me.
Yeah. And break it.
Hey, I'm trying to. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh my God. Bro, that sounds deep in.
Really deep.
Wait, hold on, wait. Move back, Maddie. Okay, let's move back onto the nail file.
Yeah, I know.